Resin is a clear substance that is traditionally used for like floors, construction. You can use it to make bar tops, that type of thing. But it's a very sturdy material when it has cured, but it's also very toxic. So it's important that you wear gloves. I am wearing nitrile gloves. They're powder free. I choose nitrile because I do have skin sensitivities. You can use latex. Just make sure that they're powder free, because you don't want any of that powder getting into the mix in here. It's important not to let it touch your skin because you can start developing skin allergies with resin. So if it does touch your skin, it's important to go wash it off with soap and water immediately. And you also want to use an area that's well ventilated. My studio is a smaller room, but I do have air conditioning. I have a window that's propped open and the door is cracked, so the fumes will not build up. So you do want to protect your lungs. If you cannot be in a well ventilated area, always get a respirator mask. They are a little hard to come by right now because of the current COVID situation in the world, but anything to put over as a mask will definitely help your lungs with the fumes.